Good morning, students. So we have today our guest speaker, D. Vijay Deepika, MBA, MA, NET. So she will be she'll be giving a speech on the stress management and yoga. So she is. I will read the profile of Deepika ma'am. So currently she is working as assistant professor from School of Management at DG Vaishnava College, Chennai. Ms. Deepika holds a Master of Business Administration from the University of Madras. She has been awarded with proficiency and endowment prizes for her top academic performances from her college. She has secured university rank at both undergraduate and postgraduate levels. Currently, she is pursuing research in the field of services marketing from Satyabama deemed to be University Chennai. With specializations in HR and finance, her initial corporate experience was in the field of HR in IT sector. Then she kickstarted a teaching career from esteemed Satyabama University, Chennai in 2008 with more than 12 years of teaching experience. The contribution and achievements in the education field was remarkable in her career. In the research front, she has great focus on publications of her research articles at national levels and guided more than 80 students in their research work at postgraduate level. Being a member of professional body associations like MMA and NIPM, she has a consistent connection with the corporate world. She has organized various programs on entrepreneur development and other series of guest lectures. Deepika ma'am, so from Panimanjing College Management Principal, HOD, and the faculties and student, we welcome you, ma'am. We really will, I think, we'll enjoy this session, ma'am. So you can be the
Thank,
presenter now, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
thank you so much, sir. Thank you for giving me an opportunity. I would like to thank the management, the principal, the head of the department, and Dr. Satish Kumar, sir, who has actually brought me into this session. And it's a pleasure to address the final year CSE students, engineering students of Manimallar Engineering College. Am I audible?
Ma'am,
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, you can proceed,
There
ma'am.
is
Thank you,
some
ma'am.
ups and
You
downs
can
in your
share.
voice.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
You can share your PPT, ma'am, if you want.
Yes, sir. I'm sharing. Is it visible now?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. So, who are my audience today? All final year B students, right, of CSE department. Can I get few responses, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, okay, good, good. Okay. So you're into your final year project now, into your project phase, or have you completed that?
We completed with a zero review, ma'am.
Okay, you're into your review process. So you're into the project phase currently. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good, good, good. So today's topic is actually going to deal with stress management and yoga. Okay, stress actually very common word nowadays, and that too with the advent of the pandemic into our lives. Most of the people, okay, irrespective to the age, everybody are very commonly affected with the term with the concept of stress. Okay, so as final year students, okay, what do you think is stress for you at present? Not just a general view. Okay, what do you guys feel is a stress for you currently, to be very specific?
Classes, ma'am.
Classrooms, online classes, then
Deepika, ma'am, sorry for the interruption, ma'am. There is
yes,
some
sir.
up and downs in your voice. I think your mic is not near you.
Okay, now sir, now am I audible?
Yeah, now it is clear, ma'am.
Okay, fine, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, students, I just want your responses. Okay, so what do you feel as stress in the current situation?
Mobile phones,
Sorry.
cell phones,
No, you're not clear.
To get placed in a good company.
Okay, to get placed in a good company. Okay, then that is a big stress. Okay, you need to concentrate on your personality development and your interviewing your skills of answering. Okay, then what are the other main reasons for stress currently?
COVID-19, ma'am.
Okay, COVID-19 itself is a reason. Okay, then you can answer. I'm expecting a lot of answers for this question. What is the current, state of mind? Otherwise, if you're undergoing a stress, what is the reason for that?
Not knowing when the exams will start.
Not knowing when the exams will start. Okay, good. Then your online classes, which most commonly all the students community face it as a big challenge nowadays. Okay, and your test, your placement. Yeah, so these are the expected answers. Okay, expected answers from you guys, that too into your final year of engineering, and obvious. Okay, these could be the major reasons why you feel stressed. Okay, your test, your classes, and then your project and your placement opportunities. Okay, good. So again, as I told you, everybody, okay, in particular point of lifetime, okay, they definitely undergo this, this stress, okay, which can be again mental, or it can be psychological, it can be physical also. Okay, so again, coming to the concept of stress, mostly we get the feeling of anxiety, we get the feeling of getting tensed. Okay, that generally people treat it as stress. Okay, but again, okay, any confused state to be very common. Okay, if you're in a very confused state, or if you're in a very tensed state, if you're restless, even in that case we can tell that we are in a stressful situation. Okay, and now today's agenda. Okay, today, as I told you, the topic is going to deal about stress management and yoga. So what I have planned to cover in today's session is okay, what are the basic reasons for stress for students community currently, okay, due to the COVID-19 situation, and how they can overcome that. And then coming to a general aspect of stress, what are the various reasons of stress, and more importantly, few research findings. Okay, few research findings which have given various outcomes of stress. And then again, coming to various important ways through which how we can overcome the stress. Okay, see, there is a problem, there has to be a solution, right? Okay, so if we feel that our stress is the problem, in that case we are supposed to find a solution for that. We are supposed to come out of it. We cannot keep thinking about the same thing again and again. Okay, we are supposed to come out of it. Okay, and what are the various ways through which we can come out of
Ma'am, you are in unmuted, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice
Ma'am,
is not audible.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible, ma'am.
Nauda?
Ma'am? Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Am I
okay.
audible now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think I was unmuted. For how long I was unmuted?
Just a second, ma'am.
Just few minutes.
Just a second. Okay. Few minutes, don't tell me few minutes. Few seconds should be fine.
Muted, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. So as students, okay, the first topic I wanted to focus is, the pandemic has created a lot of, tension. It has changed our living style itself. Okay, even from a small child, okay, who is gone to school, till students, till people who are into the working community, till your parents, till everybody, till aged people, everybody are having some form or the other, they have been affected due to this pandemic. Okay, so coming to the student level, okay, you guys gave me the right answers, okay, for what are the reasons for your stress at the current level. Okay, so it is this pandemic has actually resulted in a lot of loneliness, stress, anxiety, depression to many college students. Okay, again, people initially it was a huge, it was a huge joy. Okay, people were able to be at home. They did not go to report to college. Okay, so they were very conveniently, making use of the situation. But as time went on, okay, this being at home itself created a lot of stress for various students. Okay, obviously we all wanted to come to the college, we wanted to have an interaction with the people around us, and we all wanted to learn, we all wanted to know things practically. Okay, so how long this online classes, otherwise this kind of this structure keeps the student in a very comfortable way, we don't know. Okay, maybe 50% of them will be comfortable, but the remaining 50% of the students, according to the various findings, it was found that the students level of anxiety has gone up. Okay, and to be very specific, okay, we had even one case, if you guys are aware, okay, few facts we can find. Okay, a student from the Delhi University's Lady Shri Ram College. Okay, she has actually we'll just come on with the negative sides of it first, guys, and then we can know about how to overcome these kind of situations in life, which is very important. That's what we are going to focus upon in today's session. Okay, so for your guys awareness, okay, we had a college student who committed suicide, okay, on November 3rd. Okay, why? Only because of the stress. Okay, what is the reason for the stress? She was actually depending on her on a scholarship for her education due to a poor economical background of their parents. Okay, since she was not able to receive a scholarship on time due to the pandemic situations, she was unable to tolerate the economic burden which is given to her family, and she ended up losing her life. Okay, this should never happen, and this should not happen at all. Okay, there will be some situation where unforeseen circumstances can happen, but coming a point of ending the life and hurting oneself is not the solution. Again, few research studies has also found that due to the long lasting pandemic situation and onerous measures, okay, the hard measures, which was the national lockdown, which everyone now, okay, now the final year, into the final year students, maybe in the third year, you might have not imagined that you might have been pushed to this kind of situation. Okay, even maybe even we as faculties, even we couldn't have we didn't have imagined that we will be pushed to this kind of situation. Okay, where it was a national lockdown, and we had everything from home. Okay, so what had actually happened is there was a huge negative impact on the higher education system also. Okay, and so lot of measures were taken, and lot of insights were given to the students community to overcome all these stress, to overcome all these burden at this particular age, at this particular point of lifetime. Okay, so what are the tips which are generally used for the, which are generally given for the college students to overcome their stress at this particular point of time, to be very specific, and then we can move on to the general concept, guys. Okay, so what generally we do, generally when you're overstressed, okay, then people generally tell that you can get into the concept of deep breathing, slow breathing, just breathe in, breathe out, you will be relaxed. That actually works out, it works wonders. You can try whenever you're into your project phase, or whenever you're into even into your interview. One of the student told that getting into a placement itself is a big thing now, big kind of stress. Okay, so just breathe in, just relax, everything is going to be under control. Okay, the situation, whatever you think, it's going to happen. Okay, when things are within your limits. Okay, so just have few deep breathe. Okay, just relax. Okay, breathe in, breathe out for at least 5 times. You're going to find yourself in a refreshing way, and then practice staying at the present moment. Just live the moment. Okay, stop worrying about the future. 2 years down the lane நான் என்ன ஆகப் போறேன்? No. 5 years அப்புறம் நான் எப்படி இருப்பேன்? No need. You are not having control over the future. You can just live the current moment. Okay, so have full control over the moment which you are living, and then look into it. Just implement, just live the moment, so that you can come across all these kind of stressful stages. And yes, most importantly, cognitive behavioral skills. Okay, very management term where positive thinking. Okay, the major meaning behind this is the term of positive thinking. Okay, that is very very important, and that too in this kind of situation, your fear, your anxiety will just take you down. You're not going to up, you're not going to move up, or you're not going to go on for a very better way. Okay, so instead of telling that I might get COVID-19 virus, I might get sick, what will happen if I get affected, what will happen to my family, idella vena. Okay, instead of that, stay on a very positive mode. Okay, think that you're not going to get affected or infected by the COVID-19 virus. You're going to take very good self-care about yourself, and you're going to follow all the norms of the norms which are going to avoid you getting into this kind of diseases. Okay, so having a cognitive behavioral skill, okay, a positive thinking, coming to this COVID-19, positive thinking is fine, but even in your life, okay, in every stage of life, this positive thinking, remember guys, will definitely take you to heights. Okay, we are not going to have any, negative thoughts or negative people around us. In that case, your positivity, your energy levels are going to be high, and your achievement also is going to be in a very, very good way. Okay, and few more things to, for the students community at current time. Okay, stay active. Okay, you can stay active, and you can take any physical activity, which helps you to release your stress levels. Okay, you can go for a short walk, and I think now gyms are also working. Okay, if you are really healthy freak, you want to get into gyms or workouts, kindly do that. Okay, that sense of satisfaction is going to throw all your stress away. If you are into cycling, come on. Okay, so much of awareness is being done now towards cycling, and people, if you just go on road, you will be able to find various people who are actually buying cycle just for the purpose of their exercise as well as their stress relieving activity. Okay, and finally, for students now, practice good infection control practices. Okay, you are supposed to follow. I think we are actually living with the virus now, if I am right. Okay, we have started to live. Okay, it was like a national lockdown, everything is done, and now we are in the way where we don't know what's actually happening around us, but we have started to live. We have learned to live along with the virus. Okay, that itself is actually a cognitive behavior thinking only, very positive. Okay, so these are a few things. Okay, if as students you can take into your note, and you can create a very positive energy among yourselves. Okay, and then yes, few again, all about stress. Okay, you're supposed to know what is the consequence of stress, and how are people affected because of this important or major core called as stress. Okay, according to the research studies, okay, 70% of the people are constantly under stress. What is this constant stress? Can you guys tell? You order a food. Okay, you order biryani. Your biryani is not on time. Will you feel happy or will you feel stressed? Yeah, you can answer.
Stress.
Yeah, if your Swiggy order is not on time, otherwise if your Amazon order is not on time, obviously, we will be thinking about things, and that itself causes stress. Okay, so even a minute things, a small thing, okay, even that is actually contribute to our stress levels. Okay, so what are the findings? More than 70% of the people are constantly under stress. Okay, and coming to the other research findings, it tells that women are more stressed than men. Okay, doesn't mean that men are not stressed. Obviously men are also stressed at equal level, but comparatively on few dimensions, on few categories, the study shows that women are on a higher percentage of stress when compared to men. Okay, again, as I told you, both are equally stressed, but with maybe a few dimensions. Okay, and now coming to the classification of ages. Okay, what are the classification of ages, otherwise the percentage of age group of people who are stressed? So 18 to 33-year-old people are actually the highest percentage of stress holders. Okay, so probably everyone under the session attendees, all the participants, I think they come under this category, 18 to 33. Okay, and now the next category, probably the 45 to 60, and finally 65 years old. Okay, these are the classification. Okay, the people who are more prone to stress. So the findings tells that 18 to 33 is the age category where the stress level is very, very high. So be aware that you're not getting under this category, guys. That is actually what I wanted to tell in this session also. Okay, and again, stress is actually the cause for 80% of our diseases. So it's the starting point. Okay, we are going to end up with a lot of other side effects and lot of other diseases. For everything, stress is the main reason. So initially we are just going to throw that away, so that we are not going to end up with any sort of side effects or any sort of adverse diseases because of stress. Okay, and yes, next level. So now at student level, we have just seen the reasons for your stress, and particularly during the pandemic, and then how we can overcome. Okay, fine, and we've seen few research findings of stress. And now coming to your next level, probably probably 6 months down the lane, you're going to get into work, okay? And definitely you will be forced, you will be into a situation where you will be feel stress, okay? So now, what do you think will be the causes of stress at work? You can look into the slide and also tell, no problem. I just wanted your response. What do you think will be the reason for stress at work? Yeah, guys can answer. Yes, I'm expecting your answer now.
Very short deadlines.
Short deadlines, yeah, meeting the targets, achieving the targets, okay, da. Then what are the other reasons which could create stress? Sorry, ma.
Overtime work.
Overtime work, okay. Then you should be able to answer more answers for this question. Is the slide visible?
Work environment.
Work environment, okay. Then
To work with new
work environment.
technologies.
To work with new technologies, yes, your learning should be very high. You will be having your own challenges that can lead to stress. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then what could be the other reasons for stress at job? By now you might have completed your internship, and now probably your second phase, probably you'll be into companies where you'll be doing your project. So no, by now you should be in a position to understand what are the situations through which you will face stress at job. Is my screen visible, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just step on the screen and you can answer, no problem.
Yes, cell phone, laptop, something like
Yeah,
that.
ma? Sorry, I didn't get you.
Continuously working with gadgets, ma'am, like mobile
Mm,
phones and laptops for more than
Yes.
hours.
Yes, definitely. That situation itself, causes a lot of stress. Our mind is going to get mental, like it's going to get disturbed, and even the way you sit. Generally, we tell, right, people that too in the IT field, a lot of health related issues are arising for the people who are working hours together. Okay, their ergonomics, their seating positions, their vision, everything is getting affected, and obviously we are going to be stressed if we are pushed into that kind of situation. Okay, good guys, good. Thank you for the answers. And these are the few reasons, okay? All you can just self-explanatory, probably you can really understand, you can just put yourself into this position and you can view that, these are the reasons for stress, okay? To start with, unhappy, if you're unhappy with your job profile itself, okay, there are people who are actually getting into the job just for the sake of getting a job, okay? So for in that case, people are not happy with their profile, that is going to be a major stress of job. Every day they'll go, okay, if you're going to do any job with your own interest, with your own full commitment, the result is going to be different, your learning is going to be different, your challenges acceptance is going to be different. But in case, okay, the base object job profile itself, it's not going to be according to your interest, in that case it is going to result in stress or unhappy working atmosphere, okay? Extended working hours, okay, you will be made to sit for hours together for any project completion to meet the deadlines, okay? In that case it is going to create a stress, you're not going to be normal, okay? Insecure about the working environment, you don't know how, where, why people will react to you on what mode, okay? So that insecure feeling, okay, that sense of anxiety, fearing, confused states is going to be a stress. And fear of getting terminated, yes, just like getting into a profile which you're interested or not interested, you're supposed to stay for a while, okay? This fear of getting terminated, okay, anytime you might lose job, okay? There is no, there is no certainty in the job itself. In that case it is going to be a daily stress, you will be committed and you're supposed to meet your commitment levels. In that case termination is, it's actually a very very big term, okay? and not comfortable in giving speeches in front of other members of the office. Okay, this should not be the reason, guys. Okay, you're supposed to come out. Okay, that is what you're supposed to learn in your college. Okay, in your all your presentations, all your seminars, that is how you're supposed to move out. Okay, that particular discomfort level should not be there at all for anybody. You are supposed to come out, start speaking. Okay, start. That's the reason why. Okay, you're supposed to start speaking with your own people. Okay, that fear of moving out with people should not be there. Okay, harassment at work. Okay, this is very the most common stress feel. Okay, and that too during the pandemic, it was you found that most of the women, okay, even at home, were under harassment. Okay, and Hindustan Unilever Limited, okay, the FMCG company, they actually have started a first of its kind policy, okay, for women. Okay, under the women empowerment cell, they have started a policy which actually entirely deals with the harassment, okay, of women at work and at home. Okay, harassment at work itself is wrong, but it's happening. But nowadays it's even happening at home. Okay, so HUL has actually initiated a policy just 3 months before. Okay, this is the first kind of policy in our country which actually focuses on harassment of women at work and at home. So all the women employees working with HUL are open to this policy, where they are having a sense of support, and there are separate restrictions and rules. Otherwise they can come and they can inform the company, and they can find solutions for these kind of harassment. And sudden imposition of too much of responsibilities. Okay, I got this answer also. Lot of challenges, responsibilities, new technologies, you're supposed to get into that. You will be expected to work on it. You will be expected a lot of results out of it. In that case, that is a stress. Okay, heavy workload. One answer which I got was very typically working overtime, right? Heavy workload. Okay, so you end up at working overtime, and that is going to be a stress. And frequently facing discrimination at the office. We can again, we can rope this one also with the harassment. Okay, even the discrimination comes under the harassment according to the recent studies. Okay, so yes, and now stress indicators. Okay, you think that you're under stress. Okay, what are the various indicators which tells that we are actually undergoing stress? We don't know the reason, but we are undergoing stress. So what are the indicators? Undereating or overeating. Okay, running away from responsibilities. Oh no, I can't take this one. Okay, that one. And then exhibiting the nervous behaviors. Okay, like fidgeting, nail biting, confused state, sweating. Okay, few students will not to to be specific with students. Okay, few human beings have the tendency of lot of sweat in their hand. Okay, they'll be placing their handkerchief all the time. Okay, that is actually a stress indicator. Frustration. Okay, you don't know what's happening. You get angry, you get frustrated, and then loss of concentration on the work, and you lose focus. Okay, you will be thinking of something else, and you'll be doing this, you'll be end up with some other activity. That is a stress indicator. And then constant thinking, as I told you. Okay, don't overthink. Okay, constant thinking and worrying even about the minor issue. Okay, a small thing is going to happen. Okay, somebody is knocking the door, somebody is at your doorstep. Okay, just what you're supposed to do, just go open the door and handle with people. Ayyo, yara irukumo, edukka irukumo? No. Okay, that is actually, even for a minor thing, you're going to overthink. That is actually a indicator of stress. And poor management, we can tell, even time management and organization of work, and loss of memory, obviously. Okay, these are the various indicators which tell that we are currently under stress. If any of you are actually able to visualize yourself in any of these stress indicators, it's high time, guys. You have to take a call on this, and you have to come out of it. How can you come out of it? That is actually our next topic. Okay, how to reduce the stress and anxiety. Okay, can I get some answers for this? How can we overcome stress, guys? How can we overcome stress? Answers?
Following healthy diet and involving ourselves in a physical activity.
Excellent. Very good answer. Good. Following a proper diet and involving in a physical activity. Excellent. Then, good answer. Correct answer though. Then, others, how can we overcome stress? How can we reduce our stress?
Diverting by something important.
Very good. You can get yourself diverted. Okay, good. Anything which you feel as an interesting thing. Am I right? Good. Getting diverted from a constant thing which is creating a stress. You are able to identify. In that case, you come out of it. You get diverted. Good. Then, very good answer. Then, how can you reduce your stress?
Pet animals, ma'am.
Pet animals? Yes, very good answer. Where it's actually proven scientifically also. Okay, you spend more time with your pet. You are actually in the in a mood of coming out of your stress, and you are reducing your anxiety levels. Good answer. Good guy. Then good. Any other
Talking
answer?
about it to someone.
Music.
Yes, talking to someone. Music. I
Watching
was expecting.
comedies.
Watching comedies, watching films. Yes, I was expecting. Good, good. All answers which I expected. For someone, eating a plate of biryani itself is a stress buster. Okay, I'm like that. Fine.
Children's, ma'am.
So
Children's.
yeah, exactly. You know what? Mr. Dr. C. Pratap Reddy is the founder of Apollo Hospital. Okay, in one of his interview, he told that he spends a lot of time with his grandchildren. Okay, the answer for one of the student who gave for the explanation, we just thought of sharing. Okay, he told that he reduces his stress and tension level, by spending a lot of time with his own grandchildren. Okay, so when you go and spend time with a child, okay, otherwise not only with the child guys, even with elderly people under 10, over 60. Okay, if you go and spend time with them, your stress level will be reduced. Why? Because you will be pushed down to their age or pulled down to their age where your conversation is going to be entirely different. It is not going to be a regular conversation where you're going to talk about your job, you're going to talk about your education, your studies, your subject, your lab, adala illa. Okay, you cannot go and express that also to them. Okay, so spending time with senior citizens and kids, okay, small child, in that case, your stress level is going to come down. Good answers, guys. I expected all these answers and you gave. Thank you for that. Okay?
Plantation, ma'am.
Yes, plantation. Yes, very people are actually into their own terrace gardening now. Okay, they grow their own plants. Okay, and they put it on the social media, telling that grown from my own home. Okay, they put the vegetables, and that sense of satisfaction, that sense of happiness. It's actually going to reduce the stress level. Good, very good, very
Handcrafts,
good
ma'am.
answer. Yada.
Handcrafts.
Handcrafts, yes, all these are actually our hobbies. Can I tell it as hobbies? Okay, yeah, if you are involved more into your hobbies also, even in that case, your level of stress is going to come down. Okay, so to start with meditation, okay, we find it very tough to sit and meditate. Why? Because our mind is filled up with a lot of things. Okay, so what to start up with, actually meditation gives you a lot of hope, a lot of mental fitness. Okay, so to start with, okay, you can just enter we cannot find a puja room, or anyways we cannot find a meditation hall in all our house. No way. Okay, so just enter your room. Okay, wherever you feel comfortable, just put a slow music like om or any chanting, and just sit and close your eyes and focus on your focus on your own thinking and focus on your body parts. That is how generally we start with, but even I find it very difficult to sit and meditate. But if it's possible, you actually have to do that in order to get the essence of it, guys. You will really find the difference. And then get enough sleep. That is very, very important. Okay, you go to bed at the night 11 or night 1 or 2 a.m. again you wake up late in the morning. Your entire cycle is disturbed. Okay, get enough sleep. Okay, your body knows whether you're satisfied with your sleep or not. If you think that you're lacking, just throw everything away, just have a nap. And then we call it as a power nap, where even a half an hour, even a 10 minutes of nap is going to give you a lot of energy, and you're going to come out of your particular stress. Okay, and find any creative hobby. Okay, as you guys told, planting, and then you work, craft, any art. Okay, whatever your hobby, everybody will be having some interest on one particular field. Okay, that can be an hobby, and focus on that, and exercise regularly, and going outside, eating a healthy diet, proper diet, and then avoid caffeine and alcohol. Okay, it's going to create more stress and anxiety only by the way of your improper way of living. And then be active in your community, whatever be the community. Okay, with your friends, your family, your circle, with your job, wherever you're having a network. Okay, you be active with them, you learn a lot with them. Only if you interact to create networking, you're going to learn a lot with them, and you become confident, you become a group of a person, you be the person in a group, okay? And then talk to someone. I got this answer also. To talk to someone, to listen to music. We generally tell it listening to Ilayaraja music is an awesome feel. I come out of all my stress. Okay, that is actually a feel. That is actually, it's a feel where you're able to come out. Your mind is getting, you know, a pleasant feel. Okay, so these are the ways through which, you know, you can reduce your stress levels and anxiety. And then coming to a stress treatment, okay, and just this just a continuity of the previous topic, okay. In case if you're stressed again, how can we treat that, okay? So you can get into any sport which you like, and then you have a bath, relaxed bath, and you can get into aromatherapy, okay, or feel, okay, where, you know, it's going to be a relaxed feel for you. You just you get enter into a room, okay, and you find a very good fragrance in that, okay. That itself is going to be a stress buster for us, okay. And then anti, depressants, okay, any pills which is actually not required at all. We are having lot of other, you know, ways through which we can come out of stress. So no medication at all. Apart from medication, we can focus on all other ways through which we can come out of it, and successfully we can find it also. Music, as you guys told, meditation, herbal tea, okay, you get that sense of having a natural intake, okay. That itself is going to give a very high sense of achievement. And then finally, healthy food and healthy lifestyle, okay. And Hindustan Time article has actually given few techniques in one of their publication, okay. And everything is covered here, guys. To our surprise, what all the answers which you gave, it's actually been published itself, okay. Having a pet, you know, say a prayer, have a warm, bath, and, you know, have a fresh prayers, and then sing aloud. When you feel like singing, just sing, okay. When you feel like laugh. When you feel like sleeping, just go on sleep. When you feel like having a walk with your friends, when you feel like having a chat with your friends, your family, your brother, your cousin, whatever, okay. If you wanted to enjoy your idiot box, your television, go. If you wanted to have a connection in your, you know, social media pages, go and spend time with that, okay. Cultivate some hobby, and finally have faith in your work and in the God, okay. These are the few, stress coping techniques which was actually given in a publication, okay, to come up with the next important related topic for stress management, yoga, okay. How many of you are actually into yoga from this set of students? Have you experienced yoga? Has anyone experienced yoga? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. So when is the International Yoga Day celebrated? Can anyone answer? Every year International Yoga Day is celebrated. Do you know the day? No? Yes? Any answer?
June 21, ma'am.
Very good. June 21. Who gave the answer? Can I get the name?
Jai Kishan.
Jai Krishnan, good, good, good. So June 21st is the International Yoga Day, okay, where a lot of, you know, awareness and lot of, you know, sessions on yoga will be carried out on that particular day, obviously, okay, on the awareness day. But it should not be like that, okay. It should be the sense of living. It should be the way of how we live, okay. So now I can really understand the level of, the time management focus which you guys are undergoing. But all we need is some time for ourselves, okay. Just forget everything around you, okay. Just you can just a minimum level, as I told you, is just taking a deep breathe in and breathe out. We can start with that, and you can, you know, end up with even meditation. Otherwise also, we are having lot of poses, okay. Just 3 minutes or 2 minutes yoga poses you do, you're gonna come out of your stress level, and you're going to have that sense of satisfaction, okay. Like how you do exercise, you do cycle, that 1 hour of cycle, your entire day you're going to give your best, you're going to be positive. Same way, that same sense of achievement can be achieved, can be realized when you are actually into practice of yoga, guys, okay. So yoga is, again, it's not a recent thing, it's more than 5,000 years ago, okay, old concept. And now apart from, rather than in our own country, okay, people abroad are, mostly they are feeling their sense of, doing yoga, and they are able to manage their stress level, and they are able to get the, achieve sense of, feeling their mental and their physical health, they are actually able to, focus, and they are able to concentrate high with the help of various yoga poses, and the time which they spend on yoga. And yes, what are the effects? Okay, what are the results which we can expect if we are actually into the practice of yoga? Okay, first thing is our topic directly. We reduce the stress and the anxiety levels. We are going to get a sound sleep, and then improvement in any medical condition. Okay, for you guys, if you're aware, a lot of medical complications are actually, it can be solved through simple practices of doing yoga on a regular basis for that particular reason of a medical treatment. Okay, any allergy and asthma symptoms can be relieved, low blood pressure can be controlled, spiritual growth, okay, as I told you, the inner peace, the inner you can find yourself. Okay, sense of well-being, positive thinking, reduced muscle tensions, and then increased strength and flexibility. And then obviously, which we all look into, is the aging process will come slow. Okay, if you look into the people who are doing yoga, their skin is actually glowing. Okay, they look very young. At least for that, I think we guys, everybody must get into this practice of doing yoga at least for 10 minutes per day to start with. Okay, and I'll just share this presentation through your faculty, guys. If you're interested, you can also try these poses, which are actually meant for stress management, release of stress. Okay, so there are around 12 poses, and each poses should be done at a minimum of 2 to 3 minutes time duration, and you end up with a sense of achieving height. Okay, so child pose, head to knee front bend, bridge pose, cow pose, standing forward, dolphin, easy, eagle pose, cat pose, corpus pose, puppy, extended triangle, and legs up the wall. This is not only going to deal with stress, and it's actually a kind of exercise where your inner muscles are getting toned, and your physical fitness as well as mental fitness both are guaranteed for sure. Okay, and yes, we just had few discussion on meditation. You can do that, and you can have that find that inner peace within you. And few findings, just like we had few findings for the result of as because of COVID, we are having few findings of you're doing yoga on a regular basis, the impact of yoga on meditation. Okay, and we had the American Journal of Pharmaceutical Education, where 17 participants were covered in this research, aged between 19 to 23 years. Okay, they have completed the study, and the students experienced a reduction in stress and anxiety levels after completing a 6-week yoga and meditation program, proceeding their final examination. Okay, so what did they find? Okay, the students are able to come out of their stress and anxiety level just because of their practice and their time being spent on yoga and meditation. Their focusing level is being high, their stress level has come down. Okay, and again, the research has also shown that those who practice meditation regularly begin to experience changes in their response to stress that allow them to recover from stressful situation more easily and experience less stress from the challenges they face in their day-to-day life. Okay, so these are actually the findings. Okay, people are taken under research, and people who have performed yoga practices and meditation practices, and these were actually the real findings. So hope actually we can really understand how importantly the impact, what is the level of impact which yoga, otherwise meditation, plays on the stress management. And to end up with there is something called as the Zeigarnik effect, if you guys are aware. Okay, otherwise also you can know now. Okay, overthinking. Okay, the main reason of stress is overthinking. Okay, yesterday we didn't do this, what will happen tomorrow? Oh, tomorrow we are going to do this, we should do this, how will we do that? No, it will come, that particular moment will come, and we can take care of things, have a control in that particular moment. Okay, this was actually founded by a Russian psychologist. Okay, Bluma Zeigarnik. Okay, what she found in her research was, okay, people think more about their unfinished thing. Okay, they remember more about their incomplete task, and they forget about their accomplishment, they forget about what they've achieved. Okay, so generally, okay, have you ever found yourself thinking about partially finished project on your in your college work? Otherwise, when you're focusing more on other things, otherwise you think you worried about what will happen tomorrow in this particular English series or in the OTT series. Okay, so you think more. Okay, that particular moment is done, but the incomplete thing, the incomplete session are coming more to your mind. In that case, you are having something called as the Zeigarnik effect. Okay, so how can we overcome that? Again, through proper planning, okay, to reducing the anxiety levels, and through focusing more on the mental thinking, mental health, which is very, very, very important, guys. Okay, end of the day, health is what is going to be with us, and it's going to support us. Okay, so finally, to conclude, a positive mindset is going to take you to the best places. Okay, so how can we start that? Start the day right. Okay, plan. Today I'm going to complete this. This is my schedule for the day. How can I complete that? That particular agenda, that particular schedule is very, very important. And next is visualize success, very importantly. Okay, we are not going to think bad, or we're not going to think anything negative. We are going to be very positive. Okay, we are going to visualize success. Today, if I complete this, how will I be, what will be the consequence of completing this task today? That is how you visualize things. Okay, no negative thinking, no negative people around. Everything is supposed to be positive, and this positive attitude is very, very important. Find inspiration. Inspiration over here can be any person. It can be your mother, it can be your father. Okay, it can be any celebrity whom you like most. It can be your teacher, it can be your anybody around you. Okay, if you find something interesting in them, inspire them, learn from them. Okay, try to get their activities or ideas. Go see, world is very open, guys. Unless and until we open up and we talk, we are not going to get the output from others. Okay, so find inspiration and act accordingly. Get into that and enjoy your downtime. Okay, whatever you feel like. Okay, downtime over here, anything which you find happiness, go and spend time in that. Okay, it can be a film, it can be music, it can be a hug with your family, with your loved ones, whatever it is. That downtime is very, very important. Okay, and finally, watch your network, who are around you and what is their influence in your life. Okay, and how are you getting influenced because of them? That is very, very important. Okay, fine, I'm done with this session. Any questions? How was the session, first of all?
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am. Students, if you have any questions, you can interact with madam.
And yes, sir, actually, I have a video. Can I play that?
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Is the screen visible, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. I just need to check with the audio. Just give me a moment. Just a 5-minute video, okay, on stress relieving. Is it audible?
A Japanese method to
Yes, ma'am.
relax.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's good. It's good.
Every day, you are stressed about too many things: work, relationship, family, bills, other people's opinions. A certain amount of stress is normal and even necessary, but excessive stress can take a toll on your life and health. You're not going to believe what I'm about to tell you next. You can get rid of stress in no time at all. All you need to cope with anxiety and headache is just one method, a unique ancient Japanese technique. It takes less than 5 minutes and can be done about anywhere. To practice the technique, you should first understand that each finger of your hand represents a different feeling or attitude. Let's see exactly what. Here's your hand: thumb, index, middle, ring, and pinky. The thumb helps combat emotions like anxiety and worry. The index can help you combat fear. The middle finger helps you control anger and resentment. The ring finger can help you fight depression and sadness. Also, it's responsible for making you more decisive. And the pinky helps to calm anxiety and increases optimism and confidence. This finger represents self-esteem. Let's repeat it again. Thumb, anxiety. Index, fear. Middle, anger. Ring, sadness. Pinky, self-esteem. Keep repeating it till you remember it. Now, let's see how this unusual method works. To harmonize the life energy in the body, grasp the finger with the opposite hand, wrapping all the fingers and thumb around it. Now hold each finger for 1 to 2 minutes. You will know it's working when you feel a pulsating sensation. If you want to calm your mind, slightly press in the center of the palm with the thumb of the opposite hand and hold it for at least 1 minute. It will help you relieve stress, get rid of negative thoughts, and get peace of mind in the middle of the hustle and bustle. Practice this technique every day to stay calm and reestablish the balance within yourself. Remember that there are many other ways to cope with stress: exercise, yoga, massage, meeting friends, good music, and others. However, this Japanese technique is one of the best methods to revive yourself quickly. This method absolutely works wonders for everyone, regardless of age and gender. Have you already tried it? How did it work for you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We're really interested in them. Don't forget that.
Okay. I'm done, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Students, if you want to interact with madam, if you have any queries regarding your stress or yoga, you can interact with madam. Yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for this informative session.
Okay, thank you, Sophia. Anything you guys wanted to interact or any questions? How do you guys feel the session? You can talk now.
Students, if the guest is interacting with you, you should interact, you know. You are not first year, you are final year students.
If they find it useful, I'm so happy for that, sir. No problem.
Very good, very good. Any boys? No, no boys is there, huh?
Okay, sir, I think we can wind up.
Okay, ma'am, thank you very much, ma'am. So from the Panimal Engineering College management, the principal, the CSC department HOD, the faculties and the students. So we thank you, Vijay Deepika, ma'am. Really, the session was very wonderful. Really, at your busy schedule, I think you will be also having online classes. So
Yes,
you accepted our proposal, and the session was very clear, ma'am. I think the students will be very happy. So really, I enjoyed the session, ma'am. Thank you very much for giving this
sir.
opportunity for us, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for
Thank you very
giving
much,
an
ma'am.
opportunity to address the students of Panimalar Engineering College, and very best. I wish them, best wishes in their future endeavors. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. At this moment, I thank Dr. Satish Kumar for arranging this guest
Yeah,
from.
he's the
Thank you, ma'am.
main
Thank you
person for
very
roping
much.
me in into this. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you, students. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.